Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's class. So, what are we learning today? Today, we will be learning about clothes we wear. So, this is our chapter number 6, which says clothes. So, my question to you is why do you think we wear clothes? Of course, to cover our body, to look good, to protect ourselves from cold, from sun, from rainfall, from insects bite. And just imagine if you are not wearing full sleeve clothes or full pants and you fall down, you might scratch your knee and elbow. So clothes protect us from directly getting hurt or scratched, right? So that's how clothes actually help us, and that's why we wear clothes. Why do we wear clothes? We need clothes to cover our body. It is our basic need. Clothes are made to protect us from heat, cold, rain, dust, etc. They save us from getting hurt directly on our skin. Now, there are so many seasons. There is winter, summer, spring, autumn, rainy. So we have mainly 5 seasons. And according to every season, we need clothes for ourselves. So from season to season, clothes change because we have to keep our body cool or warm. So when there is a lot of sun, there are summers and there is all sweat all around on our body, we wear cool cotton clothes so that we do not feel very hot. Similarly, when it's the winter season and it is very cold outside, we need something, we need some those clothes which can keep our body warm and it protects us from harsh cold, right? When it is raining, we need a raincoat by which keeps us dry from water falling from the sky. We need boots also so that the water cannot spoil our feet. We wear different clothes at different times of the year. We have to change our clothes according to the changing seasons. In India, we observe 5 main seasons. 3 of them require special clothing. So for 3 seasons that require special clothing are summer, winter and monsoon. In autumn and spring, we do not require any special clothing. We can just manage with the clothes we have for summers and winters. Okay, so we wear cotton clothes in summers, woolen clothes in winter and raincoat and umbrella in rain or monsoons. Only humans need to wear clothes. Animals do not need clothes and even plants do not need clothes. So in living things, only human beings, they need clothes. We wear light colored cotton clothes during summer. Light colors and light cloth like cotton keeps the body cool in heat of summer. So in summer season, which kind of clothes do we wear? We wear cotton clothes because cotton keeps our body cool. Also, we wear light color clothes. Why? Because light color clothes do not absorb more heat. It sends the heat back. It reflects the heat. It reflects the sunlight. So that's why we wear light colored cotton clothes in summers. We wear thick woolen and dark colored clothes during winter. Woolen clothes keep our body warm. We get wool from sheep, camel and yak. So in winters, we need clothes which are thick, which are made up of fur or wool, and they should be dark colored. Why? Because dark colored clothes absorb sunlight, it absorbs heat, and then the heat gets trapped in our body due to woolen clothes. And we remain warm, we feel warm in harsh cold weather. Where do we get wool from? We get wool from the animals like yak, sheep, camel. Okay? Now, we wear clothes that save us from rainwater during rainy season. We wear raincoats to keep clothes dry. We wear umbrella to protect us from rain. So, in monsoon season, in rainy season, when we have to go out, when we are wearing our own clothes, on those clothes we wear a raincoat. Why? So that the raincoat protects our clothes from getting wet. Even we take an umbrella so that the rainwater does not fall on us directly, on our head, on our clothes. Now, this was the topic, this was the way how we wear clothes according to different seasons. Now, how do we wear clothes according to different occasions and on different festivals? So, when you are in school, you wear a uniform. Why? Because that's a place where a particular kind of clothes are being worn, right? Then, when you sleep, you wear a nightwear. When you go out to play, you wear your casual clothes. When you go out to play a particular sport like cricket or football or gymnastics, then you wear a particular kind of clothes which belong to that sport, which are fit for that clothes. Correct? Then when we go to some functions, some marriages, we wear all the heavy embellished clothes and fancy clothes. We wear different traditional clothes on different festivals, like on Diwali we either wear, girls wear lehenga, suits, saris, and the boys they wear kurta pajama or kurta dhoti. So all these things are attired, our clothes keep on changing according to the place where we are going, according to the occasion we are going, according to the festival. The clothes that we wear in a birthday party are different from that we wear in a marriage. The clothes that we wear in a school are different from what we wear to our sports class or while sleeping. So this is how the clothes vary according to occasions and festivals. We wear different types of clothes for different occasions and festivals. We wear sports wear while playing. These clothes give us the freedom to move and soak sweat. So why do we wear a sports wear? So that we can move freely, play the sport freely, and when we are sweating, the cloth must be of that kind that it soaks the sweat. We wear loose and comfortable clothes for jogging, walking, and strolling. We also wear loose clothes while sleeping. They keep us comfortable. So if while sleeping we wear very tight clothes, we don't feel comfortable and we do not have a very comfortable sleep. See, a boy is wearing a sports wear and the joggers are wearing their track suits for jogging and walking. Night suits for sleeping are being worn. We wear special clothes during celebrations and festivals. We wear bright colored clothes. We wear beautiful traditional clothes for celebrations and festivals. Men and boys wear kurtas, coat suits, etc. Whereas women wear beautifully embroidered salwar suits, saris, and lehengas. Girls wear salwar suits, skirt, lehengas, frocks, gowns, etc. All look beautiful during the festive season. Now, let's write about these two questions. Before that, let's look at the pictures that people are wearing bright and beautiful traditional clothes during celebration of festivals. In which season do we wear cotton clothes? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Why do we wear cotton clothes during summer? We wear cotton clothes in summer because they keep our body cool during the summers. Now, the next set of clothes are called uniforms. There are some special clothes worn by the special people, special professionals according to the work they do, according to the profession they are in, according to the jobs they do. For example, a doctor wears a white coat in the hospital, and that's how we know that this is a doctor. A policeman has a particular uniform. A postman has a uniform. Our soldiers guarding our border, they have a particular uniform of their own country. Lawyers, they wear a black coat and a white shirt, and that's their uniform. So uniforms are different kinds of clothes worn by people doing different work. People working at the same workplace wear the same clothes, and these clothes are called uniform. Students also wear uniform while going to school. Different workplaces have different uniforms. Different schools have different uniforms. So, uniforms differ from workplace to workplace. One workplace, people working at one workplace have the same uniform. So, you see the uniform of a doctor, nurse, pilot, policeman. People working in the army, police wear uniform. They are identified by their uniform. So how do we identify that this particular person is a soldier, or this is a doctor, this is a lawyer, this is a policeman, this is a fireman, and this is a baker? Why? Because they are wearing uniforms of the jobs they are doing, the work they are doing. So they are identified by their uniform. Doctors, nurses, bakers, chef, lawyers, firemen, policemen, soldier, pilot, all of them wear uniforms at their work. So these are the pictures of the uniforms worn by the different people at their workplace, like fireman, soldier, chef, lawyer, baker, and a student. So what are the different words that we learned in today's lesson? We learned that what is a uniform? A uniform is they are the special clothes worn to work. Strolling means to walk in a slow, relaxed way. People wear tracksuits while they are strolling. Also remember that we all need to wear clothes. They save us from heat, cold, rain, dust and germs. We wear different clothes during different seasons. We wear special clothes for special occasions like celebrations and festivals. Uniforms are special clothes people wear to work and children to school. Let's do this exercise and see what have we learned in today's lesson. You have to write what do we wear when we go for jogging. We wear tracksuits. For playing sports, we wear sportswear. To school uniform is being worn. To a party, we wear fancy and bright clothes. To sleep, we wear a night suit. You have to tick the correct statements and cross out the wrong ones. We need clothes to save us from heat, cold, dust and rain. That's true. We wear a night suit to a celebration. No. Sportsmen wear loose and comfortable clothes while playing. Correct. We need cotton clothes in summer. Correct. We wear woolen clothes in rainy season. That's false. Now let's match the following clothes with the season they are being worn in. So silk sari and lehenga are worn in festive season. Sweater and shawl in winter. Cotton frock, t-shirt and shorts in summer. Raincoat, gum boots in rainy season. And full sleeve t-shirt and pants in autumn season. Now, these are some questions that you are going to answer in your notebook yourself. We can discuss over here written short. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover ourselves and to protect us from harsh weather, germs, dust. Why do we wear woolen clothes during the winter season? Woolen clothes are made up of wool and it keeps our body warm during winter season. What kind of clothes do we wear while attending a celebration or during a festival? We wear bright colored, heavily embroidered clothes and also embellished. What is a uniform? A special set of clothing worn by people at their workplace while they are doing their work is called a uniform. You can give an example of a soldier, lawyer, nurse, doctor, policeman, etc. When do people wear a uniform? I just told you that when do people wear uniform? They wear uniform when they are doing their work at their workplace, and then you can give examples also. Now these are some fun based questions that you can do yourself with your family, with your friends, and have fun with the chapter. You can get the raw material for your clothes from animals and plants. All right. For example, you can ask your teacher more about it. She will be able to guide you better about it. That from plants we get cotton, jute, linen, flax. From animals we get wool, leather, so silk. All these we get from animals. Now look at the given pictures, and there are these people. They are the professionals who wear special clothes. Can you just name the profession by the people by looking at their clothes? Let's try to find it out. This is a mountaineer. This is an astronaut. And this is a scuba diver. Now, again, some beautiful pictures are being given from different states of India. Just by identifying the clothes they wear, please identify that which set of clothing belongs to which state. The first one I'm doing it for you. It is from Punjab. You can do the rest of them with the help of your friends, and you can surf internet also for the same. I hope you have learned a lot about clothes and the utility of the clothes, the uses of the clothes, what do different uniforms called, who wear the different uniforms, and how do we identify the people with their uniforms, why do we wear different types of clothes in different seasons and celebrating while celebrations. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.